Let's imagine for a moment that we can leave the Earth behind and explore the solar system that surround it. There are 8 planets in our solar system, namely Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They vary greatly in size. Mercury is smallest and Jupiter is the largest. The Moon. The Moon is the Earth partner in space. It orbits the Earth. The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has life. Let's explore the solar system that surrounds it. We call it solar system because everything in it is centered around the sun, and solar means something to do with the sun. The sun is a star, just like many of the stars that you can see in the night sky, just many times closer to us. Still, the sun is very far away from the earth, almost 93 million miles away. That's why it looks so small. Even though it's the biggest object in the solar system, in fact, the sun makes up more than 99% of the mass in the solar system. If you put all the planets, moon, asteroids, comets and everything else in the solar system together, they would make up less than 1/4% of it. The sun is so big that it's more than 100 times wider than the earth, and if it were a giant jar, you could fit more than 1 million earth into it. More than that, the sun is what holds the solar system together. Its massive gravity is what keeps the earth and all the other planets circling around it instead of drifting off into space. The sun is also what allows us to live on earth. Without the sun, there would be no heat. There would be no light. Plants could not grow, water would freeze, and nothing could survive. The sun gives us heat and light because it is always burning. It is a giant ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, and it burns at millions of degrees in its center. Let's leave the sun now to explore the planets. As we move away from the sun, the first planet we will encounter is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, much smaller than Earth, and one of only 5 planets you can see from Earth using nothing but your eyes. Mercury looks like a moon. It's small and has rocky surface with craters on it. It has no moon of its own and no air to breathe. Interesting about Mercury is that it is the fastest planet to go around the sun. It only takes 88 days. Next is Venus, the second planet. Some people call Venus Earth's sister because the 2 planets are very close in size and gravity, but they are different on the surface. First of all, it is very hot. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. It's not as close to sun as Mercury, but its thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide helps it to trap the heat and stay warmer than its neighbor. It has a thick atmosphere, but it is not one you could breathe. It is mostly made of carbon dioxide, and there are clouds of sulfuric acid. After Venus comes Earth, the third planet from the sun. Of course, you know all about Earth because that's the planet where we live. Earth is what's called Goldilocks planet because it is not too hot and not too cold. It is just right. As far as I know, Earth is the only planet to have living things. Let's leave Earth again for a moment though and visit Mars, the 4th planet from the sun. Mars is known as red planet because iron oxide in the soil. Mars is smaller than Venus and the Earth, but larger than Mercury. It is cold and rocky with a thin atmosphere made of carbon dioxide and oxygen. There is water ice on Mars. Scientists are very interested in Mars because they think that people could live there with the help of some special equipment. Rockets and probes have already been sent there to gain more information about the planet. Right now, there are 2 special robots exploring the surface of Mars, sending information back to Earth. Jupiter comes next, the 5th planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet and is something called a gas giant. It is called because it is really big and made mostly of gases. Jupiter is so big that you would have to place 11 Earth end to end. Jupiter has at least 67 moons around that circle around it, but 55 of them are very small. People cannot land on Jupiter because it is made of gas. There is no ground to land on. After Jupiter comes Saturn, another gas giant. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings. Although they look solid from a distance, the rings are actually made from many ice particles as well as rocks and dust. Saturn is the farthest planet that can be seen from Earth without the help of a telescope. After Saturn comes Uranus, the 7th planet from the Sun. Uranus is another gas giant, but it is much smaller than Saturn and Jupiter. Very similar to Uranus is Neptune, the 8th planet from the Sun. Neptune is another gas giant, and like Uranus, it has methane in its atmosphere, so it also looks blue. Neptune is a darker blue than Uranus. That leaves us 8 official planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. I hope you enjoyed exploring the solar system with me today. Thank you for watching Nihan's World. I'll see you in next videos. If you like Nihan's World, please like and subscribe below.